Looky what we have here. The Z, brother. We got the Z. Man, it's nice to see this car again. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So we're starting off the video with some little laughs, right? So yesterday or 2 days ago, Thursday night, I was cutting my hair, right? And I don't know how many of you cut your own hair, but I was cutting my hair. And the thing is, with my hair, I don't have straight hair. I have curly hair. So I constantly have to go over it like multiple times, right? Well, I was doing that and the guard came off. The guard came off and it freaking got me right here. So if you guys see me turn my head and you see like a little patch on my head, that's what happened. Some people are like, why don't you just cut it down to like where it's at? No, bro, because then I would be bald and I'm not doing that. All right, so let's go ahead and start the Z. Man, it's been a minute. So you guys know we got a wide angle lens, right? So this is what it looked like before, right? And with our wide angle lens, hold on, let me lift the window down so you guys can see a little bit. So this is what it looked like without the wide angle, right? Moment of truth. This is why I was so excited to get this wide angle, so that you guys can see the full driving experience, right? Oh my gosh, no way. That's amazing, bro. Look at that. That's actually amazing. So as you guys can see, the car looks amazing, right? Nice little sunny day out here in San Diego. Now, the one issue that we are having that I still need to fix is this bumper sitting way too close to this tire right here. So you guys can actually see that it's rubbing and it could potentially mess up the paint. Now I did shave this bumper, so it helps tremendously, but the other bumper didn't sit like this. So I don't know what it is with this one. I tried bending it, it like went back. So we'd have to figure something out, but the car looks amazing nonetheless. Okay, I gotta chill because there's like a dip coming. Let's see. It's right. It's coming. It's coming. It's oh, right there. Oh, yikes. We didn't hit it as bad as I thought, but still kind of hit it. Feels so good to drive a fast car again. It's been a minute. Airbag light came back on, so we're gonna have to clear that. But I don't know, guys, there's something heavily going on with this car. The reason why I say that is because to you guys in the past that I was smoking, it 100% got worse. Don't you agree?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
I haven't been behind your car in a while.
Yeah, and I don't know. So
Oil drain.
as I was saying, yes, it's oil drain. So this is the oil feed, right? They were saying that sometimes the pressure is too high and it seeps past this, so what you do is you put like a restrictor on this. But I don't know, it's gotten pretty bad, so I honestly don't know what to do. I mean, it could be turbo related, right? I might have to get the turbo refilled or something, but it's actually pretty bad. So we need to figure something out. You can see that there's clearly pretty sure there's oil. There's burnt oil, if I'm not mistaken. So I don't know. Hopefully the engine's okay. Hopefully it has nothing to do with the engine. It's probably just turbo related. I just don't have the time right now to figure it out because we're actually headed out of town. But we have to figure this out. Also, another thing I was saying is we need to figure out this right here because this is really bad. Like, really bad. Yeah. It could turn to a bad situation worse. So we need to figure that out. Figure out the smoke. And I think that is it when it comes to this car. Other than that, she drives good. Also, another thing. We need to put this back on. I keep forgetting. I just been trying to find a reason to jack the car up. But yeah, this fell off a couple months ago. Don't know why, don't know how, but it fell off. Good thing is, at least it's in okay condition. Another thing, so you guys know, off topic, this is the bike. Yes, I'm into bikes. I like the bike ride. This is an amazing bike. Full carbon fiber frame, e-bike, shocks front and rear. I shouldn't say shocks, but suspension front and rear, right? I also have this one. This is like a street bike. This is a mountain bike. This is a street bike. This bike is actually for sale. So if you guys want an e-bike for the low, hit me up. I got you. Well, I wouldn't say for the low, but either way, hit me up. Parking a Rolls Royce Cullinan at the border is absolutely crazy, dog. That's wild. So I wasn't actually gonna film this, but I figured I'd show you guys just a little bit of it. So we're on our way to Mexico. I was here a little over a year ago, except I drove. And it was the worst idea and the worst mistake I ever made.
They need backstory, but it's too long.
It's too long of a story, but long story short,
He didn't come with me.
if you guys have ever driven and TJ, you know what I'm talking about. And if you haven't, don't ever in your life do it. It's the worst mistake ever. But long story short, like I said, came over here a year ago, terrible experience, and so we're going back. This time we're walking across the border instead of driving across the border. So should be a little interesting. Like I said, I didn't plan on filming this, but I figured I'd show you guys just like, you know, if you haven't been to Mexico, TJ, show you what it looks like over there. All right guys, so we made it to Mexico and I'm gonna show you a little bit. All right, this time I'm not driving, so I can do anything I want. I can film, I can talk, I can sleep. You know, again, last time I drove and it was an absolute nightmare, dog. The vehicle that we are currently in is a Dodge Neon. As you guys know, the American version of this car, it looks nothing like this. All right, I was looking for like the SRT. This will pull up in a sedan. I mean, I guess the regular one's in a sedan too, but it just don't look like this.
Look at the power wires, bro.
Yeah, like there's a lot going on. Hola! I say random, gotta say hi to random people. Dang! Yo!
Yeah, they don't like getting recorded, bro.
Oh, they don't?
No.
They don't like being recorded?
No, don't worry.
Okay.
Some people, you know, you have to
Be mindful?
watch. No, who track is. You know, maybe.
What kind of people they are?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But
Oh,
it's not-
I'm just trying to say hi to hyenas.
El mamacita.
The mama no, I'm just kidding. I don't even know what that means. I'm just talking on my butt. Need y'all to know your man's is extremely hungry, but my boy just bought this for us. Here, I'll let you hold
They're
it.
good.
What is it? Here, I'll hold it.
Maybe.
They're good. They just have a lot
They
of
good?
seeds.
Okay, let's see. Wait, are we supposed to eat the seeds?
Yeah, you can.
También con el seeds.
I never had this. You guys had this?
Kathy hella likes seeds.
My grandma has these all the time.
The seeds just kind of mess with you, but
It is fresh though.
okay. See, we not in the States, so we just trying things, you know? We trying things. See, what's crazy is we were literally just at my house an hour ago. And now we're in a whole nother country eating the fruit I never even ate. Is this a fruit, right?
Yeah.
Eating the fruit I never even ate before. Life's crazy.
No sé
have made it to the house, guys. So we'll do a little house tour later. It looks absolutely crazy. I have to show you guys. It's 3 stories, right? But before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the ATVs that we're about to ride. So again, we're in Mexico. It doesn't look like it because this is like a very nice neighborhood. The clubhouse is actually right over there. You can see it. So we're gonna go ahead and ride these ATVs around like the whole block. So it should be pretty cool. This is the newest one. If we're comparing this one to that one, this one's the newer one. This one you have to put your seatbelt on in order for it to go. You can kind of see it.
He said leave it in high, right? Yeah, low is when you're going uphill.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, it looks way more modern, I should say, inside. You got little spider webs behind you, so if you got a little... So
I've been looking.
All right, let's go. We in this one. Yeah, I said it's security. You gonna turn it off?
No, I'm putting it back in 2-wheel drive.
Oh, he said to leave it in 2-wheel.
Oh.
Yeah, he said 4-wheel we don't need, obviously because we're not off-roading. That view is crazy, look guys. You seeing that? That's crazy. You're gonna get out? Let me find out you broke it. This fool broke it. Power to it.
Do your brakes suck?
They're a little weak. Yeah, they're a little weak.
Alright, let's go.
Hey, how fast have you been going? This gets up to like 50.
I haven't even tried.
It's pretty quick. Guys, look how big that house is. Holy cow. Wow, that's crazy. Let's race. The sun is going down here. It's already set, actually. Clubhouse is starting to clear out. It's crazy because it was popping today, but this is not like a hotel. People actually live here. Like, this house is getting built. That's going to be the basement, apparently. And the only reason why he's getting a basement just so he has like more floor space is that's what they said. But like, that house is getting built. Like, some of these houses are just getting built. Some of them are already built, like this one, right? But it's just funny because like that clubhouse was popping today, but it's like, I'm pretty sure it's like that every weekend because people actually live here. But I'm gonna end the video here. We're actually gonna be going out. We're celebrating a birthday, so that's the reason why we are here. But I just wanted to say this before I end the video. sometimes you just have to enjoy life. Like I'm that person that gets so caught up and like having my head down, like making sure I'm working, making sure that I'm taking the steps needed to provide for my future, because I've been through some stuff. Like I know what it's like to like live life and everything is good and all of a sudden it's not, right? Like you wake up one day and like life just totally flips on you, right? And so I'm one of those people that like I'd rather sacrifice fun now so that I can have fun later, right? Like I know that whatever is worth having in this life is gonna take time, right? Anything that's built to last takes time. Like that's the famous quote, what lasts doesn't come easy and what comes easy doesn't last, right? So I'm just that person that like puts my head down. I'm always working. I'm always like worried about like the next video, my next post, like making sure that, you know, I'm taking the steps needed, right? Even if I don't get the outcome that I want, I'm like, okay, whatever, this is what it is. Like keep my head down, work. But I do understand that it is important to like sometimes like lift your head up and like just kind of like be in a moment and like enjoy life, like what's in front of you, and just be grateful, because I have a lot to be grateful for, bro. Like I understand that I'm nowhere near where I want to be, but at the same time I've came so far. And the thing is, like, it's so hard to understand that when you're on the path, right? It's hard to understand like how far you've came until you actually sit back and you realize it. All right, so I just kind of wanted to put that message out there for anybody who feels the same way, anybody who's on the grind, anybody that's on the path, putting themselves on the path, and they're not where they want to be at, but is constantly working towards it. It's okay, bro. I'm not gonna say we're all there, but just know I understand, right? You're not alone, and you know, just never give up. That's the one thing. No matter who you listen to that's successful, anybody who you engage a conversation in, or just who you listen to like on podcasts or Instagram, that's the one thing that they always say, regardless of how hard it gets, never give up, because one day it will all come together. And I just kind of want to leave that message for you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching this video, and as always, I will catch you in the next one. Peace out, stay safe, and stay tuned.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic gotta say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You